Most buyers focus on power, speed, and laser source when comparing welding or cleaning machines, but the real difference is in the details. We build reliable machines with every detail for real production. Let me show you.
First, quality testing. Every machine runs 4 to 6 hours of non-stop welding and cleaning tests before delivery. Stability in production starts with strict factory testing. Next is real-time status monitoring. Clear front indicators show machine status at a glance. Each machine features dedicated air outlet layout, tailored per laser model's airflow needs. Mobility is another key advantage. Our machines are easy to move and install on any production line. We offer an optional mobile trolley that integrates the power unit, cables, and main system. You can roll the whole machine anywhere without extra effort. For cleaning, we support optional auxiliary tools, like positioning supports. They greatly improve stability and efficiency, especially for large workpieces. Safety is our top priority. Our safety enclosure isolates laser radiation and protects operators and equipment. We also provide professional laser safety goggles that are lightweight, comfortable, and ideal for long hours of use. At UMW, we build stable, practical machines for real workshops.